So I am just one girder back from the front of the house, and we got very fortunate, almost like someone designed it this way, haha. This girder hits the floor directly in the middle of where our wood stove is going to sit. Wood stoves and hearths are very, very heavy. I estimate that I have probably added, by the time everything's said and done, maybe 1,500 pounds to the weight of the house through construction of the hearth and placement of the wood stove. So I want to reinforce this girder because it's right in between two existing piers where the center of the fireplace is going to sit. So you can see I did not have a pencil at the time, but I marked where that is. And now, after having dug my hole for my pier, I've got a plumb bob here to make sure that my bracket, got another bracket over there, and my 4x4 are going to hit exactly in that hole. So I think I'm pretty happy with that. Yes, it's swaying a little bit still, but not enough to really make much difference. I'll put a level on it when I place the 4x4. So now it's time to pour some concrete. When we originally planned to do our foundation, we thought we were going to mix it all with the skid steer, mix all the concrete with the skid steer. That did not wind up happening, but not before we purchased all of the material, which is now sitting in this lovely mound outside my house. So on the plus side, I get to use some of that along with some of the extra Portland cement that we purchased for this project. I reconstructed one of my forms for this project as well, so it was pretty awesome to just be able to screw some screws back in and away we go. These are rebar scraps from the cage extensions that we did for the actual piers. So far, I'm not out any money. Let's see if that holds true. Well, actually, that's not true. I am out money for the post bracket. Dang it. Those suckers are not cheap, let me tell you. Okay, I have run some string across here so that I know where I need to place the edge of my bracket. So once I fill this with concrete, I'm going to put the form on top, and then I'm going to set this so that it is even with the edge of that string. And then we should be in pretty good shape. And then I will also double check it with the plumb bob, which is over there, and the level. So here we go. And here is the finished product. So I've taken the form off of the pier, put my initials and the date, of course, as is mandatory, and set that 4x4 with brackets to fix it to the girder. This is directly underneath the middle of where the fireplace will sit on my hearth. And I'm feeling really good about it. Extra insurance, making sure it's really sturdy, not going to go anywhere, not going to sag, or cause any problems with sheetrock or anything like that. We'll see you next time.